You searched how to buy shares of Picton Property Income Ld, a UK-listed real estate investment company focused on commercial property income. It trades on the LSE plc as PCTN.L, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PCTN.L to find the listing. Then select the matching Picton Property Income Ld result from the search results. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct asset. Make sure the issuer name matches Picton Property Income Ld and the ticker PCTN.L. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled to execute when the market reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After confirming the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to learn more.